In today's class, we'll start with the module 3 second part, that is Fourier representation of periodic signals. A periodic continuous time signal x of t can be represented as x of t is equal to sigma k equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x of k e raised to j k omega naught into t. Let us take this as equation 1, where x of k is given by 1 by t, where t is the time period. Integration in the time period x of t is x of t into e raised to minus j k omega naught into t. Let us take this as equation 2, where here in these two equations x of t has the fundamental period t, that is nothing but t, which we have taken, and the fundamental frequency omega naught, which is given by 2 pi by t. In where x of k in this equation of x of k and equation 1 and 2, these two together are called Fourier series coefficients. Now here equation 1 is called synthetic equation and equation 2 is analysis equations, and x of t and x of k forms the Fourier series path. X of t, the general representation of this one of Fourier representation, given x of t, Fourier representation with at the angular frequency omega naught is x of k. So we have to remember these two formulas throughout the problems. In properties and problems, we will only use these two formulas. Now let us start the properties, some properties of CTFS. CTFS is continuous time Fourier series properties. This is for periodic signals. For your syllabus, you have only periodic signals. First property is linearity. If x of t Fourier series is x of k, and if y of t Fourier series representation is y of k, then z of t is equal to a into x of t plus b into y of t. Let us take z of t, Fourier representation is z of k, and a is a constant, x of t is x of k plus b into y of k. So now let us prove this, that this Fourier Fourier series of this one is this equation, LHS is equal to RHS. We know the formula. First we have taken x of k is equal to 1 by t integral t x of t e raised to minus j k omega naught into t dt. Y of t is equal to 1 by t integral y of t e raised to j k omega naught into t dt. Similarly, in the same way, z of t will be 1 by t integration z of t e raised to minus j k omega naught into t dt. But z of t is nothing but a x of t plus b y of t. So substituting here in place of this one, we'll substitute here a into x of t plus b into y of t e raised to minus j k omega naught t dt. So we'll multiply this exponential term inside. A is a constant, we'll take outside, and 1 by t integration x of t e raised to minus j k omega naught t dt plus 1 by t bt. So 1 by t into b integration y of t e raised to minus j k omega naught t, and this 1 by leaving this a, this term is nothing but x of k, and leaving this b, this term, remaining term is nothing but y of k. Substituting here, we get a into x of t, z of k is equal to a into x of t plus b into y of t, hence proved. If you see here, a into x of t plus b into y of t is equal to a into x of k plus b into y of k. Now we'll see the next property, time shift property. If x of t Fourier series is x of k, then x of omega naught w of t is shifted version of this signal x into t minus t naught is equal to omega k. Here Fourier series representation, let us take as omega of k or w of k is equal to e raised to minus j k omega naught t naught x of k. So we know the formula. X of k is 1 by t integration x of t e raised to minus j omega t dt, omega naught into t into dt. So w of k is equal to 1 by t integration w of t e raised to minus j omega naught t dt. where omega naught t is nothing but, or w of t is nothing but x of t minus t naught. We'll substitute here. Now here whatever the omega t minus t naught is there, let us take it as m, and integration on both sides, dt is equal to dm, d is equal to dm, and from these two terms, from this term, write t is nothing but m plus t naught. Substitute all this here. So w of k is equal to 1 by t integration x of m e raised to minus j omega naught. In place of t will substitute m plus t naught, and in place of dt will substitute dm. Now w of k is equal to 1 by t integration x of m e raised to minus j k omega naught m. Here if you see here, you have two terms, m plus t naught. Since we are differentiating with m, t naught will become, t naught terms whatever is there, that will become constant, this term whatever is splitting, and this will become constant, will taking outside, and rest of the term whatever is there is nothing but x of k, hence proved. Now we'll prove the property of frequency shift. If x of t, Fourier representation is x of k, then g of t is e raised to j k naught omega naught t, frequency shifted by here k naught. X of t is equal to g of k x of k minus k naught. Here if you see, in frequency it is shifted. In the earlier problem it is shifted t minus t naught. Here it is k minus k naught. This is frequency shift property. So we know the formula of x of k. This is x of k, and g of k is nothing but, in place of x of k we'll substitute g of t. In place of g of t, k x of t will substitute g of t. But what is g of t? G of t is e raised to j k naught omega naught t into x of t. So substituting here this term. Now since these two terms, j k naught e raised to here j k omega naught and t, here j k omega naught t. So we, from these two terms in the power, you can take j omega naught and t common. So if you take common here, so if you see here, from these terms if you take common these terms, here it will be also minus is taken common, k minus k naught. So in the formula, whatever the formula you have, so it is nothing but x of k is equal to 1 by t integration, between the limits it is x of t e raised to j e raised to minus omega naught k into t, where here, for since k is there, we have k, here it is k minus k naught is there, therefore here x of k minus k naught, hence proved. Now let us see the scaling property. If x of t Fourier series is x of k, then z of t is scaling of timing here at, then you will have same x of t, but here frequency will be changing. Let us see how it is. X of t is equal to 1 by t integration x of t. So we know this formula. For this one, suppose you have a signal x of t which is periodic, and the shifted version of the signal will be also, scaled version of the signal is also a periodic signal. So if x of t has a fundamental period t, then the scaled version of the signal will have fundamental period of t by a. So therefore z of k is equal to 1 by, now period is t by a for the scaled version signal, t by a integration z of t e raised to minus j k omega naught into at, because in place of here t we have at dt. Now also x of t here, x of at is substituted here, this is x of at is substituted here, also a is there. Now for these terms, if you see here, a by t, which is nothing but a by t, this term a by t, then x of at e raised to minus j k into a omega naught t. Now let us take this a into t as some m. Now differentiating on both sides, a is constant, t differentiation is dt, m differentiation is dm. T is equal to m by a, dt is equal to dm by a. Substituting all this here, in place of at you will substitute m, and here e raised to minus j k a omega naught into, in place of t we will substitute m by a, In place of dt, we'll substitute dm by a. If you take this a and this a get cancelled, and this a and this a get cancelled, you'll have 1 by t integration t by a x of m e raised to minus j k omega naught into m dm. So if you see here, this and this is a term here with respect to same here. Instead of this one k, you have also k. Therefore, z of k is nothing but x of k. Therefore, here Fourier series coefficient of x of t and x of a are same. You got same x of k, but the harmonic spacing, the spacing between the harmonic spacing between the harmonics or the frequencies changes from a to a into omega naught. Only the difference is Fourier series representation is different, but how to differentiate? Because with the harmonics. Now let us see the time differentiation property. So x of t is Fourier representation is x of k, then x of dx of t by dt Fourier representation is jk into omega naught into x of t. So we know this formula, x of t is equal to sigma and k equal to minus infinity plus infinity x of k e raised to j omega naught k into t. This is the first formula we have used here. So that is nothing but this formula, sigma k equal to minus infinity plus infinity x of the same thing we are using here. Now this, for this equation, differentiating on both sides with respect to t. So differentiating dx by dt, and here sigma, same thing we are write sigma x of k here representation, and partial differentiation of this one here, right? So here differentiating, you'll get here with respect to t, j k omega naught is a constant, we'll write here. So differentiation of this one here. Now this j k omega naught will write here x of k e raised to k. So this term, leaving this one, this term whatever is there, this term we can take outside, and the rest of term is nothing but rest of term is nothing but x of k, whatever the term is there, x of k. Therefore, Fourier representation of this one is j k into x of k. Now we'll see the next property, convolution property. If x of t, Fourier transform is x of k, so Fourier series is x of k, y of t is y of k, then z of t is equal to x of t convoluted with, this is a convoluted symbol, asterisk and a circle with them, z of k. So that will become multiplication. So we know the x of k and y of k, z of k is this one, and convolution of these two signals we are taking. Then convolution formula, here define the convolution formula, x of tau y of t minus tau d tau. Here convolution. Now separating this one terms, whatever the terms are there, we'll separate this one, changing the order of integration and differentiation. This x of tau will take here, and y of t d tau, these terms we are taking, this d tau and also dt we are taking. Now writing t minus tau as m, dt is differentiating this one, x of tau y of m minus t tau y of m e raised to minus k omega. So we'll write this representation. Now if you see this one, splitting this term x of tau, and here last this term and d tau here, and here y of m, this with respect to, this is nothing but x, leaving this y 1 by t, this is x of k and this is y of k. Thank you.